Welcome to Study Civil Tech channel. This is 10th video series of interview questions. I have already uploaded 9 video, that means 45 questions. Including today's video, it will become 10 video interview series and that means 50 questions. If you want to see previous video, I have given the link in the description of today's video. From there you can see the previous video. If you feel that this video is helpful for you, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So let us start for today's session. Question number 46. Why does dry process of manufacturing of cement more economical than wet process? Dry process require much less fuel as the material are already in dry state. Whereas in the wet process, the slurry contains about 35 to 50% water. To dry the slurry, we thus require more fuel. That means in case of dry process, material already become in dry state. And whereas in wet process, for making slurry at about 35 to 50% water required. That means for dry this slurry require extra fuel, so it makes the wet process as a uneconomical and dry process as a economical. Next question, question number 47. What is low heat cement? Low heat cement, it is well known that hydration of the cement is an exothermic action which produces large amount of heat during hydration. Formation of crack in large body of crack due to heat of hydration has focused that attention of these concrete technologists to produce a kind of cement which produces less heat or the same amount of heat at a low rate during the hydration process. Low heat cement is made use of in construction of massive dam. Basically, low heat cement, that means it liberates less amount of heat of hydration. We know that during the heat of hydration, exothermic reaction takes place. That means it produces large amount of heat. By using the low heat cement produce less heat of hydration. In case of heat of hydration, exothermic reaction takes place, and due to this reaction, large crack generate on the concrete surface. So for saving the our massive dams or other big structure for cracks, we should prefer low heat cement. Generally, low heat cement prefer in dam construction where mass concreting done. Next questions, 40 48 questions. What does amount of pozzolanic materials used in cement? Pozzolanic material used in cement about 15 to 35%. Pozzolanic material used in cement about 15 to 35%. Question number 49. What is the IRS T14 special grade cement? This is special grade cement is manufactured as per specification laid down by Ministry of Railway under IRS T40 1985. It is very finely ground cement with high C3S content, designed to develop high early strength required for manufacturing of concrete sleeper for Indian Railway. This cement can also be used with advantage for other applications where high early strength concrete is required. This cement can be used for pre-stressed concrete elements, high-rise buildings, high strength concrete. Basically, IRST 40 special grade cement is manufactured as per specification by Indian Railway under IRS T14 1985. It is used for making the sleeper. It can also be used for the making pre-stressed element. Next question, that will be last question for today's session. Question number 50. What are bogus compound of cement? Bogus compound are as follows. Number one, tricalcium silicate, 3CaO, SiO2, an abbreviated formula C3S, percentage by mass in cement 30 to 50%. Dicalcium silicate, 2CaO, SiO2, C2S, 20 to 45 percentage by mass in cement. Tricalcium aluminate, 3CaO, Al2O3, C3A, 8 to 12%. And tetra calcium aluminophride, 4CaO, Al2O3, Fe2O3, C4AF, 6 to 10%. This is bogus compound of cement. So this is all question of today's session. If you This is a name of compound, formula, abbreviated formula, and percentage by mass in cement. Thank you for watching. If you feel that this video is helpful for you, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.